Good morning, dear students. I hope you must have seen the previous video of tenses. So in today's class we are going to complete this chapter. Firstly, I am going to start with the past perfect continuous form. So basically here you are going to use a subject with a had been and a verb uh, with ing form. Clear? Let us take an example. I felt really tired because I had been driving all day. So here what the statement is telling you all is currently I am very tired. Why I am tired? I am tired because I had been driving all the day. That means I had done something in the previous and because of that thing I am suffering now. Okay? Or I have done something and I am facing the consequences now. So these kinds of sentences are generally used in the past perfect continuous. Let us take second example. The ground was wet since it was raining. Why the ground was wet? The ground was wet since it was raining. It was raining, that is why the ground was wet. Okay? So there was a certain cause that the ground was wet. I hope you have understood the past perfect continuous. Next we shall move towards the future forms of the tenses. That is, first is future simple. Future simple, dear student, it's quite very simple to understand. Let us see, there are around three forms which we are going to use here. That is going to, present continuous, okay, and will. We are going to use these three things in forming the sentences or to identify the future simple sentences. So dear students, going to is generally used for certain plans or certain intention, whereas present continuous is used for a fixed arrangement. In going to and present continuous there is a basic difference that I have a plan of certain thing and for that I'm going to use the word itself going to. Clear? Whereas in present continuous we are going to the sentences will be having some sort of fixed arrangements. Apart from that, last one is will, and we are going to use will to make a certain decision. Okay, we'll use the all the three forms in the sentences and we'll see it by learning the examples too. Let us see the example of the very first thing, that is going to. I'll use a sentence. Suppose we are going to buy a car. What does this statement means? Yeah, simply if I come in the class and say, dear students, I have I'm going to buy a car. What does this statement mean? This statement means you will simply say that ma'am has a certain plan to buy a car. Okay, simplest thing you will just put out from my sentence is ma'am is having a plan to buy a car. Okay, what does this mean? This means I have a plan to buy a car. So I have already explained you that in going to, generally we are going to use the plans and intention things, na? I hope this is clear to you all. Next is present continuous. So in the present continuous we are going to use the sentences which are of fixed arrangement. That means certain things is been fixed, it has been permanent. Clear? I am having a lunch with my friends this weekend. This weekend I am having a lunch with my friends. What does this statement mean? This statement means I already have fixed that appointment with my friends. I already had a plan with my friend on this weekend. Okay? I will have a plan on. Okay? I am having a lunch with my friends this weekend. That means that that point or that action is fixed. Last is will. Suppose you go to a restaurant. Okay? You just go with your family and waiter comes and takes the order. What he will say? He'll say, may I take your order, sir? Yeah, ma'am, may I take your order? What the answer you will give? Your answer will be, yes, I will have some burgers accompanied with fries. What does this statement mean? This statement means, yes, I will have burger accompanied with fries. So basically you will do something. ठीक है. So will is basically used when you are going to do something. I hope this part is clear to you all. Coming to the future continuous part, so basically here the action that is going to take place in future, ठीक है, or we are going to talk about the action that will be ongoing in future, that will be ongoing in future, and the form will be subject plus will be and verb with ing form. For example, I will be staying at my friend's house at Delhi. What does this statement means? I will be staying at my friend's house at Delhi. ठीक है, या in Delhi. So basically, dear students, what does this statement mean? This statement means I have already planned that action and I will be doing that action in future, and that action is going to be ongoing in future. ठीक है, so this statement is being justified by the rules and regulation of the future continuous. Coming to the next one, that is future perfect. So basically, future perfect by August, Aaron is basically a name. By August, Aaron will have saved around 10 lakhs. ठीक है. So basically, here in future perfect, we are going to talk about certain action which is going to take place in the future, and that will be definitely been happening. ठीक है. For example, Aaron is a person who is going to save around 10 lakhs by August. So here I am sure that by August he must be having this much amount of money. So here we are going to use subject plus will have plus verb with the third form of the verb. I hope you have understood this part of the chapter. So dear students, we will be completing the exercise of the chapter. By today itself I am going to share you the PDF simultaneously with this chapter, and apart from this I am going to send you the exercises of this chapter. What is the name of the chapter? The name is the verb. ठीक है, I am going to send you the exercises. Just check the some of the points which were left. ठीक है. So I'm going to check. I'm going to resend that exercises. Apart from that, I'm going to send you the revision video of article 2. Thank you and have a nice day, students.